Let's build on the inspiring vision of the Prime Minister and the visionary leadership. They've got a new long runway, fresh post-election. Let's build on that all together. Let's explore partnerships and collaborate, talk more. Let's get in the room and work out how we can all help each other. It's a big task and we all need to do it together. The Smart Growth Pathways document, SGP, is the first consulting draft. It's a conversation starter, not a finisher. So please get in there, engage, tell us what we've got right, tell us what we've got wrong, ask us advice, and we can get hold of the experts to push this forward. And maybe there's a point where there's so much action has been taken, but there's a global request for information. We help the Aruban partners to make that global RFI and say, we are currently on a roadmap to 30%. 2015 is pretty clear in our minds, but the 2015 to 2020 is tricky. Let's crowdsource those opinions from the best companies in the world. So to all in the room, there's a clear choice here, especially if you're an island. Doing nothing is your most expensive option. So you have to do something, and how bold you are determines where you're going to be in the herd, and you do not want to be at the back of the herd. There's some really big trends here, and there's windows of opportunity that are open now and there to walk through, but they're closing, and so let's act fast. Collaboration. Let's go with some unlikely partners. Let's team up local utilities with governments, with international NGOs and local people you're not used to talking together in the same room. Let's get there and let's talk together and work out how to do this. And finally, let's focus on this common goal, because there's a false choice between the economy and the environment, especially on islands. So let's go fast and far together. There is no planet B after all, as our President says, and we look forward to working with you.